Dear students, in this topic, we shall discuss the neurosensory basis of behavior. The behavior is manifested by the animal and his nervous system plays essential role in its behaviors. The animals manifest behaviors in response to environmental stimuli. These stimuli are sent to the nervous system as sensory inputs. In response to these sensory inputs, nervous system generates motor outputs. The motor outputs control contraction of muscles. The contractions of muscles are the basic effectors which generate all behavioral acts. Virtually all animal behaviors have neurosensory basis, which is rooted in the vast array of neural circuitry. The neural circuitry comprises of interconnecting circuits of neurons, which lay between afferent sensory pathways and efferent motor pathways. Dear students, you know that lower animals have simple neural networks. So, they show simple behavioral patterns. However, the neural circuitry in more complex animals with central nervous system is highly complex. And in higher animals, the number of interneurons in the central nervous system have increased, which has increased the behavioral pattern of the higher animals. Dear students, the higher animals with complex central nervous system show complex behaviors. Complex behaviors जो हायर एनिमल्स शो करते हैं उनकी बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स हैं. हम चंद एक एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं, उसी से हमें अंदाजा होगा कि हाउ कॉम्प्लेक्स द एनिमल बिहेवियर्स आर ड्यू टू ए डेवलप्ड neural circuitry. For example, learning from experience, keeping memory of the events, associating combinations of stimuli, मुख्तलिफ स्टिमुलाई के combinations को आपस में एसोसिएट करना और नताइज अखज़ करना, that is also a complex behavior that is based on the neural processing. Dear students, the complex behaviors are less predictable than the simple, predictable reflex behaviors. These complex behaviors depend on the information processing from the past experiences.